The Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road is the go-to platform for overland builders, and this 2023 example has been transformed into a comprehensive, supercharged adventure rig. Built by Chitown 4x4 with a claimed six-figure investment, it shows 12,000 miles and rides on a full complement of premium gear. It is on Bring a Trailer at $50,000 with 3 days to go. What it's worth right now. Valuing a build like this means separating the truck from the modifications. According to Kelley Blue Book and current listings, a stock 2023 TRD off-road double cab carries private party values around $32,000 to $36,000, but this truck's extensive, name-brand Overland build commands well above that, as the active bidding already shows. The build is said to total over $125,000, and while modified vehicles never recoup their full build cost, a quality turnkey rig like this trades on the strength of its components and completeness. At $50,000 with 3 days remaining in active bidding, expect the price to climb into the mid to upper $60,000s. Condition and details. The truck is a thoroughly executed overland build. Finished in magnetic gray metallic, its 3.5-liter V6 wears a Magnus and TVS supercharger, backed by a nitro gear regear, an ARB air compressor, and a Genesis dual battery system. The chassis rides on an Icon Stage 10 leveling kit with a power brake big brake kit, and the exterior carries Southern-style off-road bumpers, a worn winch, an alucab contour canopy, an iCamper tent and awning, a decked drawer system, and extensive Baja Designs lighting. It has 12,000 miles, a clean Illinois title with an actual mileage notation, and service records. A few points to weigh. The six-figure build cost will not be recouped at resale, so value it as a turnkey rig rather than at cost. The Magnuson supercharger adds power to offset the added weight, so confirm its tune and how it interacts with the powertrain warranty. Bidders also asked about the as-built weight and payload, which the seller could not provide a scale figure for, so weigh it and understand the payload limits given the canopy, tent, drawers, and bumpers. Finally, this is a highly personalized build, so it suits a buyer who wants this exact configuration. What makes the Tacoma TRD off-road unique? The Tacoma has long been the benchmark for mid-size truck durability and resale value, and the TRD off-road trim adds the hardware that makes it a genuine trail machine, a locking rear differential, Bilstein shocks, and Toyota's multi-terrain select and crawl control systems. The 2023 model year holds special appeal as the last of the third-generation trucks with the proven naturally aspirated V6, before the switch to a turbocharged four-cylinder. That combination of legendary reliability and real off-road capability makes it the default starting point for serious overland builders. This truck takes that foundation and adds everything needed for extended backcountry travel, from sleeping and storage to power, lighting, and recovery gear, plus a supercharger to help haul it all. The result is a rig that can leave the pavement and stay out for days, which is exactly what the overland community wants. My take. For the right buyer, this is a lot of truck and a lot of adventure ready to go. Building a rig like this from scratch takes a year and a fortune, so a turnkey, low-mileage, supercharged Tacoma with premium gear throughout has real appeal for someone who wants to skip the weight and the wrenching. The quality of the components here is genuinely impressive. Fair value sits in the $55,000 to $75,000 range, most likely around $60,000 to $68,000, reflecting the comprehensive build against the reality that build cost never fully returns. Before bidding, weigh the truck to understand payload, confirm the supercharger tune and warranty, and inspect it thoroughly. Handle that, and you have a finished, capable overland Tacoma at a fraction of what it cost to build. Disclaimer: this post is for informational purposes only. We are not a dealership or broker. All vehicle specifications, pricing, and availability are subject to change without notice. We are not responsible for typographical errors, omissions, or the accuracy of the provided information. Please verify all details directly with the seller. Autoblog aims to feature only the best products and services. If you buy something via one of our links, we may earn a commission.